Much like the California economy, or the state budget for that matter, the California legislature operates on a boom and bust cycle. Sometimes they're really, really busy, and sometimes they're hardly doing anything. Well, this is one of those really, really busy periods because they operate on a series of deadlines, and next week from Friday, is the deadline for passing bills out of committees that started in the other house. Too complicated to explain. At any rate, they have that deadline, after which they go on a month-long vacation and don't do anything. But the halls of the Capitol are filled with lobbyists and witnesses and legislators scurrying from room to room trying to get their bills through the committee as they also attend their own committee meetings, and it's quite a madhouse of activity this week, and it will be that way next week as hundreds of bills go through the mill, kind of like watching sausage being made. And some of them will win and some of them will die, but this is the time for the turkeys to fly or die.